Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the medium printer in Astroneer. First, understand that this essential crafting station allows you to fabricate many useful items. It needs a consistent power supply to function, typically consuming 2 power units per second while active. You can place it on any medium or large platform, making it a flexible addition to your base setup. This printer is crucial for expanding your capabilities on any planet. To get your medium printer running, you'll need to provide it with power. Simply connect a power source, such as a small generator, a solar panel, or a battery, to any of its power slots. A consistent supply is key, as printing consumes power throughout the entire process. For optimal use, place it on a medium or large platform, ensuring it's easily accessible and stable within your base. Once powered, interact with the medium printer to open its interface. Here, you will see a list of all available blueprints you can print, along with the required materials for each. Select the item you wish to create, ensuring your inventory or connected storage contains all the necessary resources. After confirming your selection, the printer will begin fabricating the item, a process that typically takes several seconds to a minute. The medium printer is incredibly versatile. You can use it to craft vital base modules, such as the medium storage or the medium shredder, which are indispensable for resource management. It also allows you to print vehicle parts like the rover seat or even entire medium rovers, greatly enhancing your exploration capabilities. Remember to always double-check your resource availability before initiating a print to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.